Keep going. No, you don't have to throw it out every time. Come open more.
That's a powerful shit right there.
Is that Elmo?
I don't like the base.
Is that an Elmo?
You've been doing that a lot when you have sausage. And what?
Yeah. The night, the thing with the fireworks, sausage. And what happened?
Christopher, is that an Elmo?
Much of it.
I'm on his backside. I'm not getting any. I can't get his face. Oh, gotta talk. Sorry.
Tear it up. Come on, get this off.
Guys, I'm doing a video here. Can I not have talk about your bodily functions on the video?
Up there rattling her stove.